I'm here in my office and I have a euphonium where the first valve is having problems. The kid said that the instrument cannot play. We're gonna tell you about valve guides. So the reason why was this valve was off. So this is a king euphonium, but the process works the same for all euphoniums. So let me show you a close-up of the valve guide. And right here is the valve guide. Some valve guides are made of metal, some are plastic. So I'm gonna show you how it works out. I'm gonna unscrew the valve stem. So here is the valve taken apart. There is the valve itself. The center hole there is the screw hole. Then we have these additional holes here. So when you line up a valve guide, the valve guide itself has a little notch at the end right there. And that is supposed to go under the valve guide hole. The other one is a air hole for air to travel through the column of this. This is actually hollow, and air will come out and pop out there. So the piston can go up and down in the valve casing. So I'm gonna reassemble this now. Additionally, sometimes on the valve itself will be a number. Right here, there's an etched number 1 there. I'm not sure if it's popping up on the camera, but that is how I know that is the air hole. And the top one is the valve guide. As I assemble the valve, what I like to do is on my right hand here, I'm gonna hold the valve guide in place, kind of with my finger. On the left hand, I'm gonna kind of have the valve assembled and then kind of do it horizontally and ready tighty it. This will keep the valve guide in place. So there's the air hole available for the valve to move up and down freely, and the valve is lined up to its actual valve guide. Now I'm just gonna reapply oil to the silver part and then put it back in the valve. All right, so I have my valve here. I'm gonna go ahead and oil the bottom part of it. Nice and good, I don't care if it's dripping. I'm pretty liberal with my valve oil. I'm gonna go ahead and insert the valve into the valve casing. Now if you look at this valve here, I have here, right there, that's where the valve guide goes in. There's a little notch there, as you can see. Don't try to slam the mouthpiece, don't try to slam the valve into the casing because you might dent that valve guide. You want to rotate it just right there. I'll try to get this to focus. Right there, there's a valve guide slot right there. And then now I can push down into the valve itself. Once I push down, I'm then gonna slowly righty-tighty the valve to make it lock in. So now that the valve has been oiled and all the valves are hopefully lined up, I can blow through it. And it's now clear. I'm gonna insert the mouthpiece and play a couple notes. And now the valve is fixed. Hope this video helps you. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day.